Yes, so welcome to another beginner friendly episode. I've decided to be a good guide to those beginning and starting trading, man. It's not an easy thing, it's a very hard thing when you are a beginner. You don't know where to start. You hop from one area to another trying to find the essentials you need. So I'm going to start with you as beginners. Okay, the way I would like to be taught is the same way I will be teaching. So first of all, we'll go to the essentials. What are the essentials in the forex market? What do you need? How to use them? Okay, with time we will graduate and we will find ourselves taking trade. So the essentials, just look them as the requirements you need to use. For example, if you were admitted into a school as a new student, there are some things they will ask from you, maybe books, pen. Okay, those are requirements. Okay, those are reading and writing devices. All right, same case applying to forex. We have devices we use, we have things we use, we have softwares we use. You should learn them. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the first one. Okay, the first thing you need when you come to trading is a device. Okay, device, advice. All right, advice. This is very essential. This is very important. Advice is like a phone. All right, advice is like a laptop. All right, you should have them. We'll cover them. So one of them is device. This is the first thing you should have. That's a must, right? Because you need to analyze. All right, after device we have trading platforms. Trading platform, that's the second thing. All right, so we have device, we have trading platforms. All right, that's the second thing. All right, device, trading platform. Okay, let's go to the third one. There are a few things, man. Let's go to the third one. The third one is going to be analysis tool. All right, or analyzing tool, analysis tool. All right, that's another thing. We together up to that point. These are the most important things you need as a trader. And then the final one is yourself. Yeah, I know you didn't see that coming. So the final one is yourself. And with these devices, we are going to cover each one of them. So when it comes to devices, this is a phone, this is a laptop. We don't need to go into much details. Okay, no need to do that. No need to go into much details as to what device we should use. But you should at least have one of the two, either a phone or a laptop. But if possible, have both because it makes things easier. All right. So we are going to go to the trading platforms. These are the most important things. The trading platforms. Okay. The trading platforms. All right. Okay. There are few, but I'm going to cover the things I use. Okay, the things I use. I have a few, but I'm going to go with things I use. So the first one, when it comes to trading platform, we have MT4, okay, and we have MT5, and we have MT5. So these are your trading devices. These are your trading platforms. This is where you're going to execute your trades. If you want to buy, you want to buy with your device alone without a trading platform. So you're going to use an MT4 on an MT5. For me, I use MT5. Okay, so this is how they look. This is how they look. You come search MT4 or MT5, right, and search. Okay, there are so many versions, but avoid these with broker tags. You can see, for example, this is a broker tag, this is a broker tag, this is a broker tag, okay, and this has no broker tag. So I will encourage you to download this one without a broker tag, okay, so that you can change your broker when it comes to trading. When it comes to using these ones, sometimes you try to change the broker and the broker does not change because it's fixed. The MT5 is fixed to the broker. But when you have this one without a tag, you can see the icon will tell you. Okay, the icon will tell you. So if you download this one, it will be easier to switch brokers. You might find one broker is not favoring you, so you have to change a broker, right? So these are the trading platforms. Okay, those are the main trading platforms, MT5 and MT4. And going to the other one, we have some things like Binance, we have some things like Gate, but those are used in crypto. Okay, but we are not going to talk about crypto today. We're just talking about forex. So after trading platform, after we have analysis tools. Okay, analysis tools, we have analysis tools. I've carried the wrong one, but it's okay. We just drag here. We have analysis tools. Okay, if you feel you haven't understood, just go back a little bit and understand it. We have analysis tools. So let's put a space in between there so that you can't confuse. Sorry for that. So that you can't confuse. Okay, why is it not drawing? Yes, there. That will be a very good partition so that you can know the next one. So we have analysis tools. Okay, there are a few of them. We have a trading view. Okay, let's start with the first one, trading view. Trading view. Okay, we have MT4. MT4 can be used for both analysis and MT5. Okay, those are the most important. We have stock charts, but we are not going to talk about that. Okay, so these are some of the analyzing tools. Okay, what are analyzing tools? These are devices that you're going to read your charts with. Okay, for example, we have trading view. This is what we are using actually to draw, and you can see in my trading views we have these are the pairs I'm using. So when it comes to the analyzing tool, you can find the pairs you want. They are very easy to find, they are very easy to see. Okay, you can add here. We will learn about using trading view with time, and you can see with analysis tools we have charts. These are my charts. Okay, this is my bull candles, these are my bearish candles. You will understand that because you're a beginner. It's going to be very friendly. So for us, we are using trading view. You can see MT4 and MT5 have charts. Both of them have charts, but I will recommend you analyze with trading view because you will not be seeing the charts of your broker alone. You will see charts of different brokers. Okay, sometimes your broker has a different time to close candlesticks, and that makes the market a little bit different. Okay, so these are the essentials. I have shown you the trading view and the MT5. The stock charts, we are not going to cover them. We are not going to cover the stock charts. And finally, what else do we have? Nothing else. I think with that you have a good starter pack. So we have a final thing I would like to show you. This is what I call this is an addition to the analysis tool. I call it Forex Factory. Okay, I call it Forex Factory. So these are addition. Okay, Forex Factory. Okay, Forex Factory. Okay, how do you use this one? This one you use to read the news. There are news in the markets. And you need to read them and understand them. I have Forex Factory here. As you can see, this is a calendar. It shows the events that are happening in the market. So sometimes the market is affected by events that are scheduled. And how do you know these events are there? You go to the Forex Factory. As you can see, this is an example of the Forex Factory. You can see there are dates. This is the date and there are timestamps. Okay, so with time you will understand it, but for now just have these ones I have given you. Okay, we have the devices, we have the trading platform, and the analyzing tools, and with that you can have a good starter pack as a beginner. Yes sir, welcome to Chat World. Let's trade together.